In this video, I will show you how to link a page in WordPress to another page. Let's get started. So for this link, I will head over and link the page of this nature right here to my about page. So for this one, let's open nature first and click on edit. And then this will open the block editor of my WordPress. Now you can see this icon, which is the view page icon. So let's click on it. And then this will direct us to this particular page. So what you can do is you can head over and copy this URL. So let's copy it. And then once it's been copied, let's head back right here to our pages. And then let's edit the about page that we're talking about earlier. So here's our about page right here. So for example, for this, I'll head over and add in here a text block. So I'll head over and add in here a text. And I'll just head over and drag this right here below everything. And then on this text field that I have, I'll head over and then add in here a type. So for example, click here. And then on this text right here, I'll head over and then select all of them. And I can see some options right here, which is this option. And also this option for required or also AI assistance or input field that you have. Alternatively, you can also insert in here a button. And then from in here, let's search in here for option for buttons. And then let's type in here, click here. So you have two options. It can be just text or a button itself. And once you head over and click on that particular button, you should be able to see this, which is the link. So just paste in here what you have actually added or what you have actually copied. Click on this, and as you can see, it will be redirected. And then from in here, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.